Hey there, if you find open system of your colleague and Excel is open in that PC, then you can prank on him with a magic trick. For that, what you need to do, select the entire cell, click right button of the mouse and select format cell option. Then go to custom option and enter 3 semicolons. Remember, enter only 3 semicolons. Then click OK. Now, when your colleague will come back and try to enter anything in Excel, whoa, whatever he will enter get disappear. He will not be able to see his work. So, this is really a nice prank. So, to come to the previous setting, you first of all need to select entire cell and then click right button of mouse on go to format cell and click on custom option and remove all semicolons and click OK. That's the trick you can use to make your colleague laugh. Goodbye.